Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use launch control in your Porsche 911. First, ensure your engine is at its proper operating temperature, typically after about 10 to 15 minutes of driving. Next, select the Sport Plus driving mode using the dial on your steering wheel. For the most aggressive launch, you should also deactivate Porsche Stability Management, or PSM. Finally, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot. With the brake pedal held down, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. You will see a launch control active message appear on your instrument cluster. The engine revolutions per minute will stabilize at approximately 5,000. It's important to hold both pedals firmly for a few seconds to allow the system to fully engage and prepare for the launch. This ensures optimal power delivery. Now for the exciting part. Once launch control is engaged, quickly and completely release the brake pedal. Crucially, keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed throughout the launch. Your Porsche 911 will then accelerate with incredible force and minimal wheel spin, thanks to the sophisticated system. The Porsche Doppelkupplung, or PDK, transmission will automatically shift gears at the optimal points for maximum performance. To ensure the longevity of your vehicle, use launch control sparingly, as it puts significant stress on drivetrain components. Always ensure your tires have adequate tread and are inflated to the correct pressure for optimal grip. Practice using launch control in a safe, controlled environment away from public roads. Finally, enjoy the exhilarating, neck-snapping acceleration that your Porsche 911 is capable of delivering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.